Okay guys, so Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. So how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access? So what you need to do is click on a search bar, yeah, and in your Windows and type here Wi-Fi network connections. So here it is, Wi-Fi network connections. You click on it, yeah, and here we are. So here we need to go to Wi-Fi, click on right click and click on properties, yeah. So here we need to go to internet protocol version 4. Okay, click on properties again. It will open such window. Scroll down to the end and click use the following DNS server address. Type following numbers here: 888 and alternative DNS 8844. This is Google DNS servers. So click on OK, close, and it should fix your problem. If the problem is not fixed, there is another method on how to fix this problem. Same, go to search, click here run, type here run, click on this app, and type there such command ipconfig slash flush DNS and click on OK. It should fix your problem. Anyway, if the problem is not fixed, there is another method on how to solve this. Same, click on search, type here device manager, go to device manager. In device manager you need to find network adapter. Click on network adapters and you need to find your wireless adapter. In case if you do not know your wireless adapter, go to view network connections, click on there, and here you can see your wireless adapter name. So next what you need to do is right click here and right click and update driver, and it should search automatically for new drivers, and it should solve your problem. Okay, and the last one, what you can do if still not working, type cmd and common properties, right click, run as administrator, and here you need to type following command: net sh win suck reset, and click on enter. Hit enter, restart your computer, and everything should work, guys.